Friends, welcome to all my online lecture. Our school name is Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samant Vidyalay, Nehru Nagar, Kurla. Today is Thursday. Today's date is 17th June 2021. Standard 4th A, Subject English. And today's topic is oceans and continents. Oceans means big sea called oceans, and continents means a very large landmass called found on earth called continents. कॉन्टिनेंट्स इन मराठी वर्ड खंड, जमिनीच्या मोठ्या भागाला खंड म्हणतात. फर्स्ट वन वी सी ओशन्स. The first one ocean's name is Pacific Ocean. What is the name? Pacific Ocean. The border of North America, South America, here is Asia and Australia. Between it's called Pacific Ocean. Body of water surrounding by North America, South America, here is Australia, and here is part of surrounding Asia. It's called Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is largest ocean in the world. Second one ocean name is Atlantic Ocean. What is the name? Atlantic Ocean. Border of North America, South America, here is Europe and here is Africa. Between Europe and Africa, and here is eastern side North America and South America, surrounding by border, this called Atlantic Ocean. Next one, Indian Ocean. Here is India's southern side, Africa's eastern side, Australia's western side, surrounding by Indian Ocean. Fourth one, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean surrounding by Asia's north side, here is America's north side, Europe north side is called Arctic Ocean. Nearest by North Pole. Nearest by North Pole. उत्तर ध्रुवाजवळ पसरलेला हा ऑलमोस्ट कोल्डेस्ट 0 minus 0 degrees temperature. So here we see Iceland. So it's called Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Next one, Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean surrounding by South America. Here is Africa, South Africa, and here is South Australia, surrounding Southern Ocean. All of you understood how many oceans are there? 5. One of them Pacific Ocean, known as largest ocean. Second one largest Atlantic Ocean. Third one Indian Ocean. fourth one Southern Ocean, and last one Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean known as smallest ocean. All of you understood? Very good. Look at this. The border of Asia, Australia, North America and South America surrounding by Pacific Ocean. The border of North America, South America, Africa, Europe surrounding by Atlantic Ocean. This is picture shows that Atlantic Ocean. This is picture shows that Indian Ocean. This is called Arctic Ocean. This is big sea called Southern Ocean, nearest by South Pole. Now we see continents. You know that a very largest land mass called continents. What? Continents. जमिनीच्या मोठ्या भागाला काय म्हणतात? खंड म्हणतात. Largest, all of them, largest continent is called Asia. This is called Asia. Look at this. First one, largest continent called Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Land mass surrounding by about 30% in world and population 60% of world. Asia's north side Arctic Ocean, border of here is Pacific Ocean and here is Indian Ocean. Second one, largest continent Africa, border occupied Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and here is Atlantic Ocean. Third one, continents called North America, border of North America surrounding by here is Atlantic Ocean, here is Pacific Ocean, here is Caspian Sea. All of you understood? Fourth one, continent's name is, this is called South America. What is called? South America, surrounding by border here is Pacific Ocean, here is Atlantic Ocean and here is Southern Ocean. Next one, largest continent, fifth one called Antarctica. Antarctica, almost 98% land mass occupied by ice. Only there live person research for research. Next one, second one smallest continent called Europe. Second one smallest continents called Europe and last one, all of them smallest continent called Australia. Now see, in Asia continents there are big country, in largest country in areas called Soviet Union means Russia. This is map called Russia. Here is China, here is Mongolia, here is Kazakhstan, here is India, Nepal, Bhutan, here is Sri Lanka, Indonesia, here is Pakistan, etc. Next one, we see in Africa, South Africa, Kenya, Somalia, Uganda, etc. In North America, USA means United States of America, Canada, West Indies, etc. In South America, Brazil, Peru, etc. In Australia, New Zealand, Fiji. Next one in Europe. Here is England, Germany, France. Next one Austria, etc. All of you understood? Very good. Now we see the whole part of earth. There are mostly earth part occupied by water. 71% occupied by water. So we see earth color blue. And only 29% occupied land mass. But largest part of water, salty water, we can't drink this water, can't use this water. Only 2 or 3% water uses for drinking. We get water also rain, river, well, lake. This is sea called Arabian Sea. Our India's western side located Arabian Sea. Here is Arabian Sea. In India's southern, here is located Indian Ocean, and eastern side located Bay of Bengal. Western side, which is sea, Arabian Sea. All of you understood? Look, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. This fish called dolphin. This fish, largest fish called the blue whale. This fish called shark. This is called sea whale. We get from the sea salt, natural gas, sand, fishes, turtle, etc. Fishing is the second main occupation of our country. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Which ocean is the southern of India? Indian Ocean is the southern of India. How many oceans are there in the world? There are 5 oceans in the world. Which is the largest animal in the world? The blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Write the ocean's name. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. How many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. Tell the continents' name. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Once again repeat. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Which is the largest country in population in the world? China. China is the largest country in population in the world. Which is the largest country in area? Soviet Union. Soviet Union means Russia is the largest country in area. Thank you. Thanks.